So we have seen JVC, JVT and Jaddav go through back-to-back launches this year. But there's one community that's been quiet for a while until now. And trust me, the silence is about to break. Because after almost a year, there's a new launch. And it's coming from a developer that never fails to make noise. That's Bingati. You know, I've been in Dubai's real estate market for long enough to see trends rise, peak and fade. One year, everyone's chasing waterfront. Next year, it's branded towers. And now, it's all about affordable luxury, where design meets practicality, and where people want value and not just vanity. And right in the middle of that shift, Bingati just dropped something very, very interesting. That's Bingati Titania. Yeah, the same Bengati that partnered with Bugatti, Mercedes-Benz and Jacob & Co. But this time they're playing a completely different game. They've stepped away from the ultra-luxury segment not because they're scaling down, but because they know where the next wave of smart investors are heading to. They're building something attainable yet premium. They're not chasing any headlines anymore. They're building logic. Something that actually makes sense for both investors and end users. Now, to be very precise, let's talk about the location, because this is where Titania becomes really strategic. It is in Marjan, right in the heart of Dubai land. And look, I know what you must be thinking. Marjan, still developing, right? Fair point. And as of now, they have 85 buildings altogether, where 42 are completed and 39 is still under construction. That, if you roughly take, around 1,600 units are completed and almost 6,800 units are still under construction. By 2028, this number is expected to rise to around 8,200 units. Now compare that with JVC, which is planned around 98,000 units. Crazy, right? So Marjan still has the limited supply advantage. You're early, but not too early. That's where the sweet spot is. And geographically, you're surrounded by power names. You have Al Barari next door, IMG World in front of you, Global Village, you have the communities, that is Living Legends, and they also have Rise Biathlon. So when I say location is strategic, I mean it. Marjan hits the perfect balance between affordability and accessibility. And that's exactly what smart investors are chasing today. Now, about the project itself, Bingati Titania is a 32-story boutique building. It's not a skyscraper, but it still carries that iconic Bingati identity. So you've gotten the modern facade, those bold geometric lines, and a premium finishing that instantly gives it the presence. It's compact, refined, and honestly perfect for anyone who wants to own a branded property without paying the downtown or the business bay prices. Now here's the real game changer. That's the payment plan. You can own a studio for just 1,625 AED per month, or a one-bedroom for almost 2,625 dirhams per month. Because the payment plan is structured that way, you are paying 0.25% monthly. How is this broken down? Now, let's talk about the returns. In Marjan, newer buildings are already renting out for around 60,000 for a studio. That's roughly 8%. Plus, ROI in today's market. By the time Titania is handed over, that's by 2027, you're looking at a community that's maturing fast. With more retail, schools, and other road access opening up, imagine the amount of returns that you'll be making. Currently, the price per square feet is starting at 1,350, going all the way up to 1,500 dirhams price per square foot. Titania is still undervalued compared to the nearby areas like Al Barari or the city of Arabia. And the gap, that's where the appreciation comes from. Now coming down prices, well, the starting price for a studio is 680,000. Now look, I've seen a fair share of launches in the city, and not everyone deserves your attention. Some are just hype, beautiful renders, loud marketing, but no long-term sense. Titania isn't one of those. This one's grounded in numbers, location and logic. A trusted developer, a solid mid-tier addresses, and payment plan that genuinely makes ownership accessible. So if you have been waiting for something that's not about the hype, but about timing, trust and a smart entry price, Bingati Titania deserves a closer look. Now, this is the first project by Bingati in Marjan. Now, as we know, Bingati, they never come individually. They have back-to-back launches. So every time they launch any of their new project, they increase the pricing. So that gives you a room to gain on that additional appreciation. This was a little bit about Bingati Titania. If you want to know more or interested, contact me on the number given below and I'll catch you back in the next video.